Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection for our customer's 1934 Ford Coupe. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we got the 302 Ford roller cam engine, AFR aluminum heads on there. Customer needs the rear sump oil pan for the 34 Ford Coupe. We installed that for him. Oil stick and tube. It's real nice ball milled polished valve covers with a matching air cleaner. Distributor set in place. MSD ignition coil. Taylor ignition wires, American made. All the wire markers are on there. Brass freeze plugs installed. Block is painted the Ford blue. We have the Holley Sniper fuel injection on there. Every engine is live run at the engine factory. The complete Holley Sniper fuel injection system will be the menu screen completely dialed in, all the settings set for the customers, plug and play, ready to go. You'll see a video of your engine running, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature, timing will be set, all ready to go. We have the heavy duty Russell fuel line, inline gas filter all set up, oil pressure extension for easy hookup, proper automatic flex plate for the customer's 4R70W transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 302 Ford, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookups, PCV ventilation line, Russell heavy duty, thermostat housings installed, thermostats installed in there. Customer wanted the vintage air serpentine pulley kit. It's real nice. It has a self-tensioning belt tensioner, 170 amp chrome alternator, one wire hookup right there, AC compressors on there. All the AC lines run perfectly for easy hookups right there. So this is the way you get it, complete, ready to go. 302 Ford 350 horsepower with a Holley Sniper fuel injection. Thanks for watching.